Right now I'm gonna talk to Guru about it. I'm gonna share my experience and Guru is gonna share his experience because it's like a gap of 25 years. So like in my school we are gonna talk about how many things he carries on his backpack and how many things I used to carry on in my backpack, and then we used to study in the notebook and how he studies over there and what's the breakfast system. So there will be like 5 points and we are gonna share our 5 point of differences of American school versus Indian school in this vlog. So stay tuned and come on. Okay, Guru, so when you go to school, do you do any prayer or something?
No.
So what you do? You go straight away in the cafeteria and then into your classroom?
In the cafeteria, wait for some minutes,
And then classroom?
Yeah.
So you know, when I used to go to school, so first we used to do prayer and then we were allowed to go to classroom.
How long did you have to do the prayer?
That was like minimum 15 minutes of prayer. It was prayer and then national anthem, and then we used to go in the classroom. And so like when you go to school in the classroom, so you normally use your books, notebooks, laptops. What kind of, like, how you study over there?
So we have a math book. When we're learning math, we use that math book. Either if we're not using that math book, we have a math notebook, which we're going to use the math book too. And we also have computers for power up.
Okay.
And mostly on Fridays, we can do whatever we want on the computer. But mostly what we do on computers are Edmentum.
What is that?
It's like where you can learn language arts, reading and math. So when we go to Miss George's class, we do reading. It's math.
Nice. So like when your STAR test, you remember your STAR test? So STAR test happens like written in the paper or verbally, or you do it in the computer. How you do that?
We do STAR tests on our computers.
Computer. You know, we never used computer or laptops in our school. We used to have notebooks, we used to have books, and they used to give us homework, and then homework notebook was different. Especially when I was at your age, it was tons of books and notebooks. Homework notebook different, classwork notebook different, and then whenever it used to be exams, so in exams they used to give us like sheets of papers in which we used to write like this, everything.
Like cover it?
Yeah, cover, and so that the other person is not cheating our notebook.
We have test shields.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
So no.
So like in India, when we used to go to school, so in backpack we used to have lots of books and notebooks. So when you go to school, so what do you carry in your backpack?
So we just have like a planner and a folder. Done.
Only 2 stuff?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Unless if there's like a project.
Okay.
Then that would be 3 stuff.
So then your bag must be very light when you go to school.
Usually, yeah.
I used to have 10 kilos of backpack, my god.
Did you have to hold it? Did you have to like?
On my shoulder. My shoulder used to hurt me.
Did you go slowly?
So like the next question is, when I used to go to school, I used to eat my breakfast at home because I didn't used to have any breakfast in the school. So do you have any breakfast kind of stuff in the school?
Yeah.
Like what, in the cafeteria?
Yeah, we go to the cafeteria to eat breakfast.
Oh, that's nice. Come, let's walk over there. It's so beautiful. So in my class, there used to be 40 kids, okay, with one teacher, okay, and teacher used to manage good, okay. So how many kids you have in your classroom?
So we have 18 kids and we have 2 teachers.
18 kids, that's all?
Yeah.
And 2 teachers?
Unless more students come, like new students.
And 2 teachers with 18 kids? So damn easy. I've been only in the picnic like one time. It was like a school picnic, that too only for the New Year. Like I haven't been in the like any other places for learning some projects or learning some science activity. Nothing. Do they take you to outside like for learning something? Like, do you go any field trip or something?
Yeah, we do. We go to field trips.
You do?
Yeah.
Where did you go last?
So we went to Skater's Choice, but it was a STEM field trip, which means first we had to study, then we can go.
So, what did you study in the Skater's Choice?
we-
What is Skater's Choice?
Skater's Choice is like a place where you can eat and skate.
Skate? Oh, nice. So, what did you learn from there?
There,
I guess you learned something about maybe physics or something.
maybe I forgot, but
You forgot?
I forgot the person who we were talking about.
Oh, okay.
person.
But yeah, I remember I got a folder about saying that you guys are going to Skater's Choice not only to have fun, but you guys will be studying too over there, right? Yeah, that's good. But our opinion how my school used to be and how his school is going right now. You tell me how you guys prefer your test or reading classes or whatever you do it in the notebook, writing, or you do it in the computer. Please let us know your opinion, how you guys see how your school is over in India or Pakistan or America, wherever you guys are, and do let us know.